Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to segment your Mailchimp list for more effective email marketing. Segmenting your audience allows you to send targeted campaigns to specific groups, which can significantly boost your engagement rates and overall campaign performance. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to access your account. If you're new to Mailchimp, click on Sign Up Free to create an account. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Getting started with Mailchimp is straightforward, and having an account gives you access to all the powerful marketing tools they offer. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll find several navigation options. Click on Audience. This will expand a selection of audience-related features. From these options, select Segments. This is where you'll manage all your audience segments and create new ones to target specific subscriber groups. On the Segments page, look to the upper right part of your screen and click on Create Segment. This button initiates the process of building a new segment based on criteria you define. Mailchimp makes it easy to organize your contacts in meaningful ways. You'll now be directed to the filtering page for your segment. This is where the real power of segmentation comes into play. Here you can choose how you wish your contacts to be segmented using various filters. Options include sign-up activities, contact acquisition methods, or even something as specific as an email address domain. These filters help you narrow down your audience to precisely the group you want to reach. For this video, we'll create a segment that targets subscribers using a certain email domain. This is particularly useful if you want to send campaigns tailored to users of specific email providers. From the segment filter options, choose email address. Next, you'll see a conditional statement dropdown, which decides how the filter operates. For our purposes, select contains. This tells Mailchimp to look for email addresses that include a specific string of text. Now in the custom filter field, we'll specify the domain we're targeting. Type @gmail.com. This means any subscriber whose email address contains @gmail.com will be automatically added to this segment. Once you've filled in these details, click on Use Segment located in the upper right corner of your screen. This applies your filtering criteria and generates the segment based on the conditions you've set. After clicking Use Segment, you'll be prompted to save your work. Click Save and a dialog box will appear asking you to name your segment. Choose a descriptive name that makes it easy to identify later, such as subscribers under Gmail. Once you've entered the name, click Save and Exit to finalize your segment. And there you have it. You've successfully created a targeted segment in Mailchimp that will help you deliver more personalized and effective email campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.